Hi there, I'm Andy from the Bullfrog Boat Company. Just wanted to show you through today everything that I do here as a services engineer, as a person that builds the boats, as well as maintains and fault diagnoses all the issues that come with the boats, if there are any. We look after Mercury, we look after Yamaha, we look after Suzuki. We fully service and make all the people that want to go onto the water safe in the summer. We look after the electronics. We also look after fuel systems and everything that goes into a boat to make it a seaworthy vessel. This is a Suzuki on the back of a 6.7 brig. This is a boat that's here on sale or return. The customers come to us in order for us to sell it for them, but what we do is we're going to go through everything from bow to stern, through everything from the fuel systems down to the trailer to make sure it's basically ready for it to be sold. If you wanted to buy a boat like this is a custom Eagle 6.7 white with a 200 Suzuki. It's basically going to be gone through like we do with all our boats. So any customer that comes to us, like yourself, who wants either their outboard engine, their trailer working on, or their electronics sorting out, that's what we do. We also go through the tubes. We can make sure they're correct, and any repairs that need to be done on those tubes, and as well as all of the internals of the boat itself as well. This is a boat that we've been working on today. This is a great one. This is a customer locally who's built this boat by hand. This has come out of his shed, but you can see how beautiful this is. Local guy who has gone out of his way to build one of the most beautiful things I think we've seen at the Bullfrog Boat Company, if I'm honest. It's a brand new 30 Suzuki DF. DF30A. We have basically gone through the entire electronics, fully built this boat like we would a brig, but what we've got here is a completely custom built machine. Effectively, he's ready to go on the water now. He's going to come and collect this afternoon. He's going to be a very, very happy guy. Other stuff that we're working on too. Customer's boat here, Ziggy. This is a 5.2 metre brig. Gone through the entire boat. Basically, this is at a re-antifoul. The engine has been fully serviced. We're fitting a new VHF this afternoon. Going through the fuel systems, making sure that he's got no water in his fuel, no contaminants. His steering system's checked. We go through all the bilge pump workings and go through the whole entire thing again from bow to stern. His trailer was reworked last year, but everything else is pretty good with it. So basically that's the idea. We want to get you guys on the water this summer, ready to go, and safety is paramount.